Today we will have a look at the 2017 rating of free antiviruses. When composing this rating, we took into account opinions of professional test laboratories, respected IT titles, and our own user experience. Position 5 belongs to 360 Total Security. It is quite a popular solution from the Chinese company Qihu 360. It combines an antivirus and a system optimizer junk file cleaner utility. Beside the Windows version, there are also versions for Mac, iOS, and Android systems. The utility has a friendly interface. After you launch it, start the scan and wait until it is complete. The antivirus will give you recommendations on how to eliminate the discovered threats, optimize Windows, and clean up the system drive. You can choose what actions you want to confirm. In addition to the antivirus, the program installs a special plugin into your internet browsers to protect the user from malware. The disadvantage of this product is an overwhelming amount of advertising shown during the installation and when using the antivirus. The first line is occupied by Avira Free Antivirus. Avira offers its users both an integrated solution for protection against viruses, protection of confidentiality, and performance optimization, and an opportunity to use each of these utilities separately. The product is available for any platform: Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. When you install the antivirus, it automatically adds browser extensions to ensure safe web surfing. To ensure your anonymity online, you can use Avira Phantom VPN. Integrated protection of your computer is activated automatically after the installation, so you don't have to rummage through the settings. To clean the computer that is already infected with viruses, click the button System Scanner. Avira will scan the registry, local and removable drives, check current processes, and search for rootkits. In addition to real-time protection, you can also use the scheduler to have your system scanned at a certain time. Infected objects are sent to quarantine, where you can choose to delete them forever, send to Avira Labs for examination, or restore to their previous location. The downside to this product is its low scanning speed, but it doesn't put much pressure on your system, so you can work with the computer while the antivirus does its cleaning duties. If you need to run a quick check and a cleanup, you'd better use a different solution. The third place goes to AVG Antivirus. AVG offers a free antivirus for protection of your computer and safe web surfing and emailing. The utility has an option to delete files safely and reliably. This antivirus is available for users who like Windows, Mac, and Android. A simple interface in a Metro style is worth mentioning. After installation, the program starts and activates automatically without any additional settings to be switched on. To start a scan, click on Antivirus Free, and in the window that opens, click on Scan Computer. To optimize the system, protect your privacy, and ensure safe web surfing, there are paid utilities such as PC TuneUp, Secure VPN, and Web TuneUp. You can use each of them for free for 30 days. This antivirus ranks third because of its popularity and impressive functionality of its paid version. It is also included into the top list of antiviruses by all respected IT sources. However, the free version has very limited capacity because AVG offers neither computer optimization nor internet privacy protection in its free version. The second position in our rating is for Avast Antivirus. Avast products are available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, which allows having a single system to protect all your gadgets. The free version features antiviral protection, an opportunity to create a boot disk or an CD or flash drive to start and clean your computer, testing Wi-Fi networks for possible vulnerabilities, a password manager, a confidentiality mode for web surfing, system optimization, and disk cleanup options, a game mode to prevent the antivirus from interrupting the user. After installation, the antiviral protection is activated automatically, so you don't have to change any settings. When it starts, the program suggests you to run a full one-time scan to find and solve security, confidentiality, and performance issues. Click on Run Smart Scan. After the scanning, the program will suggest solving all discovered problems with a single button Resolve All. In our opinion, the utility doesn't give enough information to make a sound decision. The problem report is not too informative. This antivirus receives the second place in our rating because of its outstanding availability for any user while offering ample opportunities. In fact, all your participation is 2 buttons: Run Smart Scan and Resolve All. Malwarebytes is recognized to be the best antivirus. Malwarebytes is an effective and powerful solution to protect you from harmful software. It features an effective scanning algorithm and a specialized system of protection against ransomware. This antivirus is available for users who like Windows, Mac, and Android. Malwarebytes comes equipped with a list of specialized modules: anti-malware, protection against ransomware, exploits, and harmful websites. After installation, the utility activates automatically the protection of your PC against all kinds of malware. To scan the system, just click on Scan Now. It will check the memory, startup files, system registry, system files, and so on. After the scan is complete, the system will show you a report on its results. All malware will be sent to a quarantine where you can recover or delete it forever. The biggest minus of this program is its 14-day trial period, after which the functionality will become limited. The utility will switch to manual mode. It will continue to find and delete malware, but only when you decide to start the scan. All automatic protection functions will be disabled. Our rating has not included such products as Windows 10 built-in free antivirus, Windows Defender, and Microsoft Security Essentials because they are still dark horses and need the test of time to show what they're worth. Which antivirus would you rate as the best? What do you do to protect your computer? Let us know your opinion in comments. If you liked this video, click the like button below and subscribe to our channel to see more. Thank you for watching and good luck!